This begins a video inspection of a Crest OC4-1218-HE ultrasonic cleaning machine. Serial number. I'll give you just a quick overview. The doors are off, but they're all here. And as you see, this was set up as a tumbler type, but that just is removable. Shouldn't take you very long to remove all the components for that. And we'll send, as I walk through this, we'll start the ultrasonics as I go through. As you can see, takes 1 and 2 have ultrasonics working currently. That's the ultrasonics to tank 2, and the recirculating pump, and all the other lights are coming on. Everything's working functionally. Now, tank number 3 is already prepared for ultrasonics, and you'd only have to acquire the ultrasonic generators. Putting my hand in, I can feel the heat in the fan and the blowers. Also, this machine does have an oil coalescer coming with it. The ultrasonics set up right now, and the robot. And I'll do a quick functionality of the robot. We can't set it up. There's no program in it, but we can certainly move it manually. And we'll do that with the hand operation. And as you can see, the robotic arm would be going up and down, and this is where the robot arm was missing. And it is moving left and right. So we know it's just a matter of processor. And you can see the light is on the screen. We did fill it up to test it. We may have to unplug one of the lines. It may have just been sitting too long, just to be upfront about it. And all you have to do is clean out this one drain line right here that seems to be clogged, but I think it's just a matter of plumbing. Interesting to see the insides. And as you can see, these rotators are still working, so they're still in good shape if you need them. I'll walk around the back to show you the back. And this is the full robot. And then I'm going to show you that just repeat this arm. This is the only thing you'd have to fabricate, and it's just a 2-inch by 2-inch stainless steel tube with connectors, a couple of welds, and then almost like a all thread or a rotted arm with thread on the ends to make the basket lifter. But it's the same setup, the same thing as the other machine. So you'd have 2 identical machines. I'm going to pause for a minute while we put the doors back on. And continuing once again to show you the full complement with all the doors. And the controller, as you said, it's flashing, but it's only flashing because of the different speeds of the cameras. And you can see it is a CTS-500. And this concludes the inspection of the Crest OC4 ultrasonic cleaner.